Welcome to AJ Akshar Academy YouTube channel. In this session, I am going to discuss current electricity problems on drift velocity. Now, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Please share your valuable comments in the comment section. Okay, let us go to the today's session. First one. The drift velocity of free electrons in a conductor is V when a current I is flowing in it. If both the radius and current are doubled, then drift velocity will be. Here, if both radius and current are double, then what is the value of drift velocity? We should calculate now. Let us go to the solution. Given drift velocity VDL is equals to, here they given as V. VD1 is equals to V and VD2 is equals to, we have to calculate, and I1 is equals to I and I2 is equals to, they given that doubled, so R1 is equals to R and R2 is also equal to 2R. From I is equals to NEAVD, VD nothing but drift velocity, so VD is equals to I by NEA. Here A nothing but area, so NE into pi R square. VD is inversely proportional to, VD is inversely proportional to R square and directly proportional to I. So from this relation, VD1 by VD2 is equals to I1 by I2 into R2 by R1 whole square. So now substituting values, I by 2I into 2R by R whole square. I gets cancels, R gets cancels. So V by VD2 is equals to 1 by 2, here 2 square 4, 2 ones 2 2's, so VD2 is equals to V by 2. This is the drift velocity when radius and current will be doubled. Then drift velocity VD2 is equals to V by 2. Okay. Next we will go to the next question. A conductor wire having 10 to the power of 29 free electrons per meter cube carries a current of 20 amperes. If the cross section of the wire is 1 millimeter square, then the drift velocity of electrons will be. Here we have to calculate the drift velocity of electrons. Now let us go to the solution. Given number of electrons is equals to 10 to the power of 29 meter to the power of minus 3 and current I is equals to, they given as 20 amps and area A is equals to 1 millimeter square, that is equals to 10 to the power of minus 6 meter square, and charge of electron they given as 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19. Next VD is equals to, we have to calculate VD. Next VD is equals to I by NEA. Now substituting I nothing but 20 by N 10 to the power of 29 into 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 into 10 to the power of minus 6. So that is equals to 20 by 1.6 into here 29 minus 19 minus 6 25. So 10 to the power of minus 4. That is equals to 200 by 16 into 10 to the power of minus 4. This can be written as 16 by 200 by 16, nothing but 12.5 into 10 to the power of minus 4, or drift velocity Vd is equals to 1.25 into 10 to the power of minus 3 meters per second. Okay. Next, we will go to the next question. In a straight conductor of uniform cross section, charge Q is flowing for time t. Let S be the specific charge of an electron. The momentum of all the free electrons per unit length of the conductor due to their drift velocity only is. Here we have to calculate the momentum. Now let us go to the solution. M nothing but mass of each electron, N nothing but number of electrons. Here M is equals to mass of each electron, and N is equals to number of electrons. And now momentum P is equals to NMVD. So drift velocity Vd is equals to I by NEA. I by NEA. This is A. Okay, next that is equals to Nm I by N E into A. Q is equals to E. So here N into M by Q by N E into A. I is equals to, here I is equals to Q by T. So Q by N E A into T. Now next P is equals to Nm into P is equals to Nm into Q is equals to E. So in the place of Q we are writing E. So E by N E A into T. P is equals to N M Q by, here I is equals to Q by T. N is equals to N by V into E, A into T. V nothing but volume, N nothing but number of electrons. So P is equals to, here this N gets cancels, M into Q by V nothing but A into L. Here V represents volume. Volume V is equals to A into L. So E A into T. This A gets cancels. So P is equals to Q by, here 1 by L, and this M, here you are writing E by M into T. 1 by L is as L, since as L is equals to 1 unit, and S is equals to E by M, that is specific charge. S is equals to specific charge. So P is equals to Q by T into S. S nothing but E by M. Okay, P momentum P is equals to Q by T into S, where S is equals to E by M, that is specific charge. S is specific charge. S denotes the specific charge. Okay, next we'll go to the next question. Consider a wire of length 4 meters and cross sectional area 1 millimeter square carrying a current of 2 amperes. If each cubic meter of the material contains 10 to the power of 29 free electrons, then the average time taken by the electron to cross the length of the wire is. We have to calculate the time taken. Now let us go to the solution. Given L is equals to 4 meters and area they given as 1 millimeter square. Converting into meters, 10 to the power of minus 6 meters square, and current I they given as 2 amperes. N is equals to N by V, that is equals to number of electrons they given as 10 to the power of 29 meter to the power of minus 3, and time taken we have to calculate. T is equals to L by V into D. Now, or this drift velocity is equals to I by NEA. So this can be written as NEAL by I. Now T is equals to, substituting values, 10 to N nothing but 10 to the power of 29, and E charge of electron 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 into 10 to the power of minus 6 into L they given as 4 by I 2. So 2 ones, 2 twos. So T is equals to, we are getting 1.6 into 2 into 10 to the power of 29 into 19, 6, 25. So 10 to the power of minus 25. So T is equals to 1.6 into 2, 3.2 into 10 to the power of 4 seconds. This is time taken. So therefore T is equals to 3.2 into 10 to the power of 4 seconds. Okay. Next we will go to the next question. The drift velocity of the electrons in a copper wire of length 2 meters under the application of a potential difference of 200 volts is 0.5 meters per second. Their mobility in meter square, volt inverse and second inverse is. Now we have to calculate the mobility now. So now let us go to the solution. Given drift velocity Vd is equals to 0.5 meters per second and length they given as 2 meters and voltage they given as 200 volts, and we have to calculate mobility. So mobility mu is equals to Vd by E, that is equals to Vd by V by L. So that is equals to Vd into L by V. So now mu is equals to, substituting values, 0.5 into 2 by 200. So that is equals to 2 ones, 200. So 5 by 1000. So this is equals to 5 into 10 to the power of minus 3 meter square volt inverse and second inverse. So therefore mobility mu is equals to 5 into 10 to the power of minus 3 meter square volt inverse and second inverse. Okay, next we will go to the next question. There is a current of 1.344 amperes in a copper wire whose area of cross section normal to the length of the wire is 1 millimeter square. If the number of free electrons per centimeter cube is 8.4 into 10 to the power of 22, then the drift velocity would be. Here we have to calculate drift velocity. Now let us go to the solution. Given current I is equals to 1.344 amperes and A is equals to 1 millimeter square, converting into meters 10 to the power of minus 6 meters, and N is equals to N by V, that is equals to 8.4 into 10 to the power of 22 centimeter to the power of minus 3, converting into meters 8.4 into 10 to the power of 22 into 10 to the power of 6 meter minus 3, and 8.4 into this can be written as 10 to the power of 22 plus 6, 28 meter to the power of minus 3. And then here 1 centimeter is equals to 10 to the power of minus 6 meter cube, 1 centimeter cube. 1 centimeter to the power of minus 1 meter cube is equals to 10 to the power of 6 meter to the power of minus 3. This is 10 to the power of 10 to the power of 6 meter to the power of minus 3. Now electron, charge of electron E is equals to 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulombs. And next now we have to calculate drift velocity. Now drift velocity is equals to, we have to calculate drift velocity. So Vd is equals to I by NEA. Now substituting values, Vd is equals to I nothing but 1.344 by N 8.4 into 10 to the power of 16, 10 to the power of 28 into 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 into 10 to the power of minus 6. So that is equals to 1.344 by 8.4 into 1.6 into 10 to the power of 28 into 19 6 10 to the power of 25. Okay. Now Vd is equals to 1.344 by 13.44 into 10 cube. So that is equals to 1 by 10 into 10 cube. So that is equals to 0.1 into 10 to the power of minus 3 meter square, or 0.1 millimeters per second. Okay. So therefore Vd is equals to 0.1 millimeters per second. Okay. Next we will go to the next question. In a wire of circular cross section with radius r, free electrons travel with a drift velocity v. When a current I flows through the wire, the current in another wire of half the radius and of the same material, when the drift velocity is 2v. Now we have to calculate the current. Now let us go to the solution. Given R1 is equals to R, and I1 is equals to I, and V1 is equals to V, and R2 is equals to R by 2, I2 is equals to, now we have to calculate I2, V2 is equals to V. Current I is equals to NEA into VD. So this implies I is equals to NE into pi R square into VD. So current I is directly proportional to R square into VD. So I1 by I2 is equals to I1 by I2 is equals to R1 by R2 whole square into V1 by V2. So substituting values, R by 2 whole square and V by 2V. V gets cancels, R gets cancels. So I by I2 is equals to 4 by 2, 2 ones, 2 twos. So I2 is equals to I by 2. Okay. Next we will go to the next question. The density of free electrons in a conductor is 2 into 10 to the power of 28 meter to the power of minus 3. The drift velocity of electrons is 1 into 10 to the power of minus 2 meter per second. The current density is, here we have to calculate the current density. Let us go to the solution. Current density J is equals to current density J is equals to I by A. So J is equals to NEAVD by A. A gets cancels. J is equals to NE into VD. Now substituting values, 2 into 10 to the power of 28 into 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 into 1 into 10 to the power of minus 2. So that is equals to 3.2 into 10 to the power of 28 into 10 to the power of minus 21. So 28 minus 21, 7. So current density J is equals to, we are getting 3.2 into 10 to the power of 7 ampere meter to the power of minus 2. Okay. Next we will go to the next. A current of 16 amperes is made to pass through a conductor in which the number of density of free electrons is 4 into 10 to the power of 28 meter to the power of minus 3, and its area of cross section is 10 to the power of minus 5 meters square. The average drift velocity of free electrons in the conductor is, here we have to calculate the average drift velocity. Now let us go to the solution. Given I is equals to 16 amperes and N is equals to 4 into 10 to the power of 28 meter to the power of minus 3, and A is equals to 10 to the power of minus 5 meter square, and E is equals to 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulombs. Now VD is equals to I by VD is equals to I by N E into A. So I nothing but 16 by N, 4 into 10 to the power of 28 into 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 into 10 to the power of minus 5. So here 4 ones 4 4 16, 4 ones 4 0.4. So that is equals to 10 by 4 into 10 to the power of 4. So Vd is equals to 2.5 into 10 to the power of minus 4 meters per second. This is the drift velocity. Okay, next we will go to the next question. The current density in a wire is 2.2 into 10 to the power of 6 ampere meter to the power of minus 2. Find the drift velocity of the electrons in the wire if the number of electrons per unit volume is 8.4 into 10 to the power of 28. Now here we have to calculate the drift velocity. Now let us go to the solution. Given current density, they given as J is equals to 2.2 into 10 to the power of 6 ampere meter to the power of minus 2. So n number of electrons they given as 8.4 into 10 to the power of 28 meter to the power of minus 3, and charge of electrons 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19 coulombs. And next Vd is equals to question mark. Vd is equals to J by Ne. Now substituting values, Vd is equals to J nothing but 2.2 into 10 to the power of 6 and N 8.4 into 10 to the power of 28 into 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 19. So that is equals to here 11 1.1 and 4.2. So 1.1 into 10 to the power of 6 by here 4.2 into 1.6, it becomes 6.72 into 10 to the power of 9. Here now 1.1 by 6.72, 0.16 into 10 to the power of minus 3. So this can be written as 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 4 meter square. This is drift velocity. So therefore drift velocity is equals to 1.6 into 10 to the power of minus 4 meters per second. Okay. Thanks for watching this video.